As I showed in a previous video, using a mini-split type air conditioner and a pressurizing pump, atmospheric water can be extracted and used for several household cleaning tasks, such as watering plants, washing the car, etc. You can also take advantage of the pressure of the pump to wash the mop when you need to mop the floor. Without using water from the public supply, which is in the elevated tank, which can be saved for cooking, you also save money on the water bill. The floor can be mopped in the usual way. The water extracted from air does not produce scale deposits, since it is 100% pure water. For this type of cleaning work, it is ideal. The water remaining at the end is not wasted, and can be used for watering your plants. In the video description I include the link to the water from air extraction project. Please take a look at that also. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Shava Tareen.